Hey all, welcome to Tech2, the one-stop shop to get your awesome dose of tech. Here's where we will be taking you through the latest products and tell you all you need to know about them. And today, we are here to take you through the Oppo A12 smartphone. So let's not waste any more time and check out this amazing product. So this is the first look. Up front, Oppo A12 looks ultra thin at 0.8 centimeters and 165 grams, making it a super handy option and easy to fit in anywhere. The 6.2 inches HD screen looks quite large and striking with narrow black bezels, making it stand out amongst the lot. The phone measures 15.6 by 7.6 into 0.8 centimeters, that is length into height into thickness, and launched in two cool shades, black and blue. Specifications. The most striking feature is the 6.2-inch HD plus water drop screen display with 1520 into 720 pixels resolution, an amazing 270 ppi pixel density and 16M color support that makes your viewing experience so much fun and vibrant. Comes with ColorOS 6.1 based on Android Pie v9.0 operating system with 2.3 GHz MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor for an uninterrupted smooth usage. Comes with an underscreen fingerprint unlock 4.0 sensor and the very cool AI face unlock, making it super easy to unlock your phone and keep it safe. Performance. The Oppo A12 has three high-quality cameras. 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras with unique AI-enabled features like AI beautification, bokeh, HDR, dazzle color mode, and the 5 megapixel front camera for your awesome selfies. Comes with powerful 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery providing talk time of 45 hours, so you can be assured of always staying connected with your loved ones. It is equipped with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage, providing tons of storage capacity for all your data, movies, and more. Reason to buy. If you're looking to purchase a new smartphone or simply upgrade to a better performing and stylish phone at a great price, then Oppo A12 is just the right choice for you. It is truly a sexy, slim, and lightweight smartphone with premium features and a great all-day battery life. So guys, what are you waiting for? That's it for now, and see you soon with some more amazing tech products.